In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the server-rejected error you may encounter when uploading files to Gmail. This error can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to send important documents or images, but don't worry, I'll guide you through a straightforward process to resolve this. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your preferred web browser. Ideally, it's advisable to use Google Chrome or Firefox, as they generally offer better compatibility with Gmail. Once your browser is open, navigate to the Google search page. Now, in the search bar, type "How to fix error uploading server rejected Gmail" and hit enter. Doing this search will give you a range of links and resources where people have encountered similar issues and the solutions they found effective. Now let's focus on what commonly causes this problem. It often stems from browser extensions or outdated web browsers. You can start by checking if your browser is up to date. Most browsers have an option in the settings menu where you can check for updates. Outdated browsers can sometimes create compatibility issues with email services like Gmail. Another troubleshooting step to consider is disabling your browser extensions temporarily. Extensions can be useful, but sometimes conflict with certain web applications. Head into your browser's extensions or add-ons section in Settings and either manage them or disable them to see if the issue resolves itself. One of the bigger issues with uploading errors is the file size or type restrictions set by Gmail. Gmail allows files up to 25 MB in size, and if it's larger, it could reject your file. If the error persists with smaller files, consider renaming the file you're attempting to upload. Ensure it follows standard conventions, such as utilizing only regular English letters and numbers, avoiding special characters, and confirming the file format is supported, like PDF, JPG, PNG, or Word documents. This can prevent unnecessary complications in uploading. If none of these steps have worked thus far, it might be beneficial to clear your browser cache and cookies. Doing so will remove any temporary data that could be affecting the uploading process. You can find this option in the privacy or history settings of your browser. After trying these steps, test to see if the issue resolves. Refresh your Gmail account and try uploading the file once more. If the error persists, using another device or network to isolate the problem can offer further insight. Changing the approach, say trying a mobile device instead of a desktop, could work to your advantage. If you followed these steps carefully and still face issues, contacting Gmail support is a reliable next step. They can provide additional diagnostics and specific solutions based on your account and environment. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to resolve the server-rejected error and get back to your usual workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy emailing.